Okay, so it's Saturday. I was experimenting a little bit. I just left the liquor store a couple hours ago, but I ain't really been drinking though. Um, I just woke up and I was in the kitchen experimenting, and I'm gonna show you what I discovered. So I love Bloody Marys. Like Bloody Mary, basically, uh, you got your tomato juice, um, or you can just get like a Bloody Mary mix, like this right here. This is bomb right here. All you need is this and some vodka. So sometimes, you put a little bit of salt, pepper, a little Worcester sauce. Some people put horseradish. I do not put horseradish in it. A little Tabasco sauce or hot sauce, and then basically your tomato juice or V8 or whatever you want to use. Bloody Mary mix. It's basically tomato juice, vodka, um, maybe a little bit of hot sauce or something like that. A little salt and pepper. So I'm gonna show you the way I do mine. This is like one of my favorites. But you're gonna need banana pepper. You gotta have sweet vodka. So I got a double shot right here. Got my ice in a glass. Put my double shot. Boom, right there. All right, I'm using this right here. This works great. Frank's Red Hot Bloody Mary. So I'm gonna take that, fill it all the way up. Right. I'm gonna take this banana pepper juice, top it off. Bam, just like that. Then I'm gonna take these 2 cups. And I'm gonna dump them back and forth. Boom, like that. Boom, like that. And just keep doing that. Keep repeating that process. About 2 or 3 times, 4 or 5 times, whatever. I could probably have a little more ice in there. It wouldn't hurt. That's it, right there. That's like the best Bloody Mary drink I ever had because it's got a sweet and spicy. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna top it off with this. I'm gonna just put a little pinch of this at the top. Hold on, let me just taste this right quick. That shit is so fucking good, yo. That shit is so good. It's got this sweet and it's got this spicy. And I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of this right here. You know what I'm saying? If you like it a little more spicy, put a little bit of that or a little Tabasco. That's it though. You know what I'm saying? Double shot of that. Oh yeah, I'm just sitting here fucking with that Casamigos too. Double shot of that. I like the Frank Red Hots Bloody Mary drink. You can use whatever this, but it works good with this. Just top a little bit of that. That's it. Best Bloody Mary ever. Promise you. Try it.